Hey guys, welcome back to Prof. Isa. I'm Isa Hanif, and today we're going to be talking about global warming. So, global warming is essentially the heating of Earth due to human activities. So basically, what happens in global warming, when global warming happens, basically what is happening to Earth is when humans when humans burn fossil fuels like what the stuff that comes out of the chimneys of factories and like car emissions and fires, that kind of stuff emits greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases come from fossil fuels, and what greenhouse the greenhouse gases they kind of make like a trap. They kind of like make an atmosphere that sort of like traps different gases, and they make like an atmosphere around Earth and like envelope Earth. So that's a problem because when solar radiation comes onto Earth from the sun, when it comes onto Earth, usually the Earth would kind of like reflect it, and Earth would reflect the atmosphere would kind of like reflect the solar radiation. But now, since there are greenhouse gases, the greenhouse gases absorb the solar radiation, and it traps the heat and it heats the surface of the Earth. And so since all of our since the world is starting to get hotter and hotter now, our poles like the North Pole, the South Pole, and Antarctica, those areas are becoming smaller and smaller because they're starting to just melt away. And this is not only bad for us, but it's also bad. It's bad for the environment, and it's bad for like animals that live on Earth. So we obviously have a problem here, right? Since that's happening, so there are a few ways that humans are doing a few things to stop global warming, or to lessen global warming. So for starters, what we're doing is we're starting to now use electric cars. More electric cars are coming out, like the Nissan Leaf or the Tesla, and those ones don't use emissions or fuel, and it doesn't burn anything which hurts the environment. So the cars make it more safe. And also factories, what they're doing now is they're making longer chimneys. They're making longer chimneys. So the longer the chimney is, the more time that they have to like filter out the bad stuff that comes out of it. So they can add like filters and stuff to clean it out and to get rid of it properly. So you can actually see, if you take a look at this graph here, global average surface temperature. So you can see, so this graph is from 1901 to 2020. And you can see how over the years, so it looks like from like 1880 to like 1920 or 1940, and those times were like the global warming wasn't really happening. But now that like we're advancing in technologies, we're having greater industries, you can see our temperature of Earth is going up. Now that we have more emission cars and factories, you can see the temperature of the surface of Earth going up. Like you see in 2020, it spikes all the way up. So that's all I have for today. I hope this video helped you. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye.